So here we finally have the first box of Boxycharm for 2021. I gotta tell you, it feels really good to receive this. Even though it feels like it's a little late, I'm still very excited for this. This is the $25 box, and you get 5 full-size items. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out, just in case you're not subscribed to them. This is the first video that I'm filming in 2021. Let me know if you guys have received your box already, okay? I have no idea what's in here. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's open it up. Oh, this is cute. Alright, so it just says Boxycharm Fresh Start. That sounds amazing. We all need a fresh start. I definitely do. Let's see, what is the first thing I pull here? Bali Balm. Okay. There you go. This is what it looks like. Seems like it's empty. You have a cute little bee here. Can you see it? It says be friendly. Let's just check it out here. By the way, oh, this doesn't have a variation number anymore. Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Okay, I love that. I love a lip balm, you guys know, more than a lip gloss. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Alright, let's open this up before I keep reading and bore you to death. See what it looks like. Alright, that's cute. This is a lip balm. Let's see. That's what the packaging looks like. Never heard of this brand. It has here hashtag Kiss the Planet. Can you see that? Do let me know if you received the same items as me. So here it says, in cold weather, massage the tube between your... What? Oh, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. This is made in the USA. How much does this retail for? Wow, $33? That is crazy. It says packed with vitamin C, so let's just open it and look at it. This is what it looks like. I will tell you, it's gonna suck right now because I still can't smell. If you guys don't know, I was sick. Yeah, I can't tell you what it really smells like, but this is what it's gonna look like. So I guess I can put some in the back of my hand and see if it's shiny or anything. Alright, so can you see it? Right here, it's a bit shiny. I kind of could smell it a little. What's next? We have something for Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt, do not age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide. Oh, this is an eye cream. Oh, I'm excited for that. I like eye creams. You're either a person that loves them or doesn't. I don't know if they work, but I just like to pamper myself. So, this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, for fresher, younger looking eyes for all skin types. Wow, you know how much this retails for? $82. An eye cream for $82. I mean, if I had the money, seriously, I'm not gonna lie, I would splurge. That's just me. I'm just a spender like that. It's probably bad, but right now I would not buy. I just couldn't. This is what it looks like. It's nice. I really like the packaging. Super sleek. Is a squeezy tube here. And so it says do not age, or DNA. It's made in USA as well for all skin types. And let me just open it. Again, these are all full size, so that's pretty cool. Already, just imagine, we paid $25 and just look, this is $33, this is $82, so this is just a must in my opinion. What it looks like here. So let me see if I squeeze. I want to see the consistency. Okay, just a very small amount. I think it smells like something, not like a perfume, but I guess like luxury skincare, I would say. It's cool. I don't know if it's gonna feel heavy. I definitely have to try it under my eyes. I will be doing a review after I try it for a while, for sure. Oh, no way! Really? I had gotten a sample of this and now I have the big size. By the way, I love this brand, the Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. You guys know I have very oily skin. I definitely only use like water creams or oil-free moisturizers, gels like that. Nothing heavy like a lotion. This is one of their newest products, by the way. And this, it says apply to clean face, use AM and PM, avoid direct contact with eyes. This is a silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lasting hydration without feeling greasy. I love the Pharmacy. There's a lot of things that I want to purchase from the Pharmacy. This retails for $38. Right now I'm seeing a lot of skincare. Like, are we getting any makeup here? Or I love both, so I can't complain, but I do rather you send me a more makeup, you know. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. This is so good. This is so good. I'm glad that they're sending me stuff for my skin type, you know. It says the Pharmacy here. Beautiful bottle. This is with moringa and papaya. If you can see the little picture there. Oh my god. It comes with this little top, which is really cool. Easy to open, and just look at that. Wow. I'm glad that it looks nice and full, not like somebody used it or something, because I did have something like that a long time ago. What was it? Was it with the Pharmacy as well? Maybe. Something of cherry. Yeah, I gotta stop smelling stuff. It's just habit. But yeah, I'm so excited to use this. I like the consistency. I'm always happy to receive a new moisturizer. I just finished my Tatcha one. I had a really small one. This is what it will look like. Send it out. I like how it feels. Definitely doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel sticky. You just gotta let it dry. But I'm happy. I'll also do a review on this. I want to use it for, you know, like under makeup, without makeup. Very happy about this. I'm excited. Let's see if there's any makeup here. Oh, finally. Okay, Ciate London. I like this brand too. So this is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. I hope it's pretty. I hope that I like the colors. So here's the packaging. Pretty, right? I love this color. So pretty. This is a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is made in China. Look at that. This retails for $30. Let's take it out of the packaging. It says it is cruelty-free. I can't tell you that I've been watching like anybody's Boxycharm for this month, so I have no idea like what anybody else received. Now it's looking beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Looks nice. The back looks like this. Let's come with a nice mirror. And this is what you get. So this says it has mattes and shimmers. I've never tried their eyeshadow formula, so I'm really intrigued. I think these colors would work. They look really nice. The shimmers look beautiful. I'll definitely do a video separate on this with like swatches and create a look for you. For $30 is nice. That is like the price for Ciate's products. But look at that design. That looks so nice, you know? It's not just like simple. I like that. Featuring a mix of hypermetallic soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes, the innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. I mean, I can't say like, oh my god, that's the prettiest palette I've seen, but it's nice. Hopefully the next thing is makeup too. What is this? I have no idea what this is, but here you go. This is Esmeralda 2 by Beauty Creations. This palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out on the town. Is this another eyeshadow palette? Are we getting 2 eyeshadow palettes, or is this gonna be like a face palette? Never tried anything from Beauty Creations. Here you go. This is what it looks like. I'm excited for this. Wow. Oh my god. So we really did get 2 eyeshadow palettes this month. That's interesting. So it did come with a little film. Here you go. This is what it's looking like. Look at that. I mean, very different from the Ciate, so I'm very happy about that. It does come with a mirror. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in the palette as well. Oh, this retails for $13.99, so not an expensive brand. So I have 2 products to try out for you. I'll definitely do swatches of everything. The packaging is okay. It doesn't look bad. The colors, I like it. You know, it's not like everyday colors for me, but definitely colors that I would like to play with. I love when it's a mixture of mattes and shimmers and metallics. Now we have to add this up and see how much value did we end up getting for $25. $30 here for the Ciate eyeshadow, another $38 for the oil-free moisturizer from the pharmacy. Let's put $14 for Beauty Creations palette. Dr. Brandt eye cream, wow, $82. And then we have Bali Balm lip balm, and that one was $33. That amazed me. Alright, so here you have a total of $197. That is insane. I must say I'm very happy with this box. My favorite, I have to say, was, I dare say this, I'll say maybe this from the pharmacy. I have to say I'm very happy about this. It's oil free, it works for my skin. I have tried it before, so this is number 1 on my list. The second I would say is, I don't know, maybe the Ciate London eyeshadow palette. I guess the lip balm, the Beauty Creations palette, and then the eye cream. I'm just glad that all these products seem like they could work for me. I don't despise any of them. Let me know if you have received your box already. What was your favorite item from the box? Don't forget, I'll leave the link to Boxycharm in the description if you would like to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!